Hey, it's Mike with Sweating Your Balls Off in the Ozarks. So, actually, we're just dark up here in the shop. It's mid-July. It's 90 plus degrees, and I ain't got no air conditioning in here, so it is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Hot as a firecracker, you might say. Anyway, so if you hear some background noise, that's the fan running. Just gonna have to live with it because I'm not doing this without no air moving in here. Did you guys see this video right here with the 7-inch headlight with the halo daytime running lights in it? Yeah, a lot of people like that light, and Firecracker even liked that light, but the manufacturer didn't make one for her motorcycle. So we hadn't really looked around for anybody else to make one, and lo and behold, someone contacted me about doing another headlight video. And of course, the product they wanted me to look at was very similar to the one I just did for the Street Glide, and I'm like, I just did a headlight video for the Street Glide, probably not looking to do another one of those right away. But I said, do you have anything in the 5 3/4 that would fit a Dyna with a daytime running light halo in it? Because I got a bike we could put one of those in. Because I knew April from Firecracker on 2 Wheels wanted one. Well, lo and behold, he had one. So here it is. This is the headlight they sent me. Let's take a look at this thing. Now that's supposed to have a daytime running light halo around it. Since it's Firecracker's bike, I think Firecracker has to install the headlight. Don't you guys agree? I really think she has to wrench on her own bike. So we're going to let her do the install, and I'm going to run the camera. If you're not following her channel, I'll leave a link to it down below. But it's Firecracker on 2 Wheels on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. I smell like whiskey. I don't know why I would smell like whiskey. I never drink while filming YouTube videos or on live streams. You gonna spread it around my thumb?
No, I can't.
Okay, hang on. Let me. There. Take my thumb with it. All right, that's what the light looks like. Now we probably should have tested it before we put the beauty ring back on, because it took us about 15 minutes and both of us working together to get the beauty ring on there. It's a hair tighter. We probably should have had a bolt that was a hair longer, but with both of us working together, we were able to get it on, but somebody had to be squeezing the beauty ring pretty tight to get it started. Okay, hit your high beam and your low beam. I want to see a change. But your running light is there. That's the halo light. Okay. So there's low. And when you hit the high.
That's low. That's high.
Okay, hit the low again. Yeah. All right, well the real test will be how bright it is tonight. I recorded some footage with our old headlight. We'll take this for a spin after it gets dark, and we'll come back and show you what the two look like, and we can compare them. And we'll see what she thinks of the new headlight versus the old one when we're all done.
3 days later.
Well, I don't know how much of a difference you could tell, but I could tell a huge difference with you behind me by just how much you light me up. I can see my shadow, out there now, and I never would see my shadow when you were riding behind me.
Right.
Because you're, and I could tell by looking in the mirror, your headlight is much brighter than it was before.
Yeah.
So you think it looks much brighter?
Yeah.
Are you pretty happy with it then?
Yeah. Well, it's on bright right now, too.
Well, put her on dim if you want.
Yeah, and it shines out farther than the other one.
Okay. Well, that's good. I noticed it seemed like it picked up a lot more to the side, too. Like you had better width on the beam. Like you could see more of the shoulder.
Right.
Well, you think that's a pretty good headlight for $50 then, at least for based on your first riding impression?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we're going to do a little loop, and when we're done with the loop, we'll see what she still has to say about it, and Then we'll go back to the studio and put some of this footage together and show you the difference between the old headlight and the new headlight. I already did a test ride with the new headlight, so I kind of knew what to expect, and I've already got some footage of that, and I'm gonna put the old footage and new footage kind of synced up at about the same point, so you can see like signs that are reflecting. You'll actually be able to tell, you know, at the same point in the road, the difference between the new one and the old one, and how much better you can see the reflective signs, or how much sooner you can see them, things like that. So after we get done with this little ride, we'll show you that clip. Well, do you feel maybe more comfortable riding at night, having a better headlight like this now, where you can see better?
Yeah, I can see the sides of the road.
You see the sides of the road a lot more than you could before, huh?
Yeah.
You aren't so nervous about a deer or something jumping out and you're not having as much time to react, because you can see more of the, you know, peripheral sides of the road, you know, the shoulders and stuff. Even on a road like this that has wide shoulders, I can definitely tell you're much brighter in my rear view mirror than you were before. That's definitely a nice headlight upgrade. All right, well, now you put a few miles on the headlight. Still pretty happy with it?
Yeah. I like
It makes a big difference being able to see the sides of the road.
Yeah.
All right, guys, well, let's go back to the studio and we'll show you that clip about the old and the new that I've already recorded and looked at. So here that is. Okay, we've had this headlight for a couple weeks now, actually, since we recorded the video. Everything's still going great. April's still very happy with the headlight. Obviously, this is not a long-term review. If we find any problems with it from reliability, or, you know, it quits working after 6 months, we'll come back and pin a comment at the top of the comment section down below. So you check that. And if there's nothing reported there or being a problem, then that means it's still working great. If there's something there, or if I put out another video related to this headlight, there'll be a link to it in the comments down below. And if you want to buy this same exact headlight, there'll be a link to that down below in the description as well, where you can go purchase this from Amazon. If you're one of those people that have been asking how you can help support the channel, well, let me show you 2 ways that you can do that. First, this way doesn't cost you a dime, assuming you already shop on Amazon. There's a link down below for our Amazon affiliate store, and anything you purchase after going to the store, even if it's not items in the store, we get a small commission off of. That helps support the channel, keeps me being able to get new gear and camera and things like that. So if you shop on Amazon, consider using that link before you go shopping. 2, we turned on YouTube memberships. If you click that join button right below the video, you can learn more about the perks you can receive for just a couple dollars a month, including early access to videos. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you do that YouTube thing, check out the content on my channel. And if you dig it, you can hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to ring that bell to be notified the next time I drop a new video. And as always, thank you for your support. Stay safe and keep on riding.